Guys, welcome to my channel. This is the ninth tutorial in the series of tutorials on Arduino, and in this tutorial we're going to learn about the servo motor. So what is a servo motor? Let's see. So servo motor is a type of motor which works on the principle of PWM. So in order to rotate the motor at a certain angle, we need to apply a pulse of certain width. Let's have an example. Like here it is 0 degree, and for to move the servo at 0 degree angle, 1 millisecond pulse is to be applied on the signal pin of the motor, and for 90 degree a 1.5 ms signal has to be applied, and for 180 degree 2 ms signal has to be applied to the signal pin of the servo. So there are three pins we can see here. The orange one is the signal pin in which the PWM signal is to be applied, or pulsed width modulated signal is to be applied, and two are for this one is black one is for ground and red one is for VCC. So let's have a look on the original servo. This is the servo that we are going to use in this tutorial. This is a SG90 macro servo which has macro gears inside it. You can see over here it has got some gear assembly here, and it also has got this motor over here, and there is some feedback mechanism which provides feedback so that the angle is accurate. Let's have a look inside this, but I'll choose another motor. So here I have a MG996R Tower Pro motor, which is a 360 degree rotation motor, but the mechanism is the same. So it has got a motor over here, and inside of it a circuit like this. This is the circuit which is used to drive the motor to a certain angle. This is the potentiometer for getting the value of the servo at which position it is, and this is circuitry inside it which defines the angle. So I have just opened it up for you so that you can see the gear assembly. So it has got the metallic gears over here. You can see this is the main actuator of the motor, and which is connected internally to this potentiometer here. This potentiometer fits in and gets the value of the motor's angle. So the difference between a motor which is restricted to move up to several degrees, like we can say 0 to 180 degree, it's the maximum, and between the 360 degree rotation motor is that the 360 degree rotation motor does not have this potentiometer over here. So the circuitry inside a 360 degree motor is like this. You can see here there's no potentiometer, and the circuitry is same as of this rotation motor, which is restricted to 180 degrees only. So if we add a potentiometer over here, this becomes the 360 degree rotation motor. If we remove this potentiometer from here, and this also becomes the 360 degree rotation motor. So let's see how it works. So I have a script opened up here which is called sweep. So this in the first line of code I have included the library servo.h, which includes all the functions that are used with the servo. First we will define our servo, that we have a servo. So we will create an object servo, and I will name it my servo. And in the void setup function I have to attach this this servo to a pin which is a PWM pin on the board. So we have got 6 pins, 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11, which are PWM pins which can be used. So I am using here 9th pin. So my servo.attach function connects my servo to the 9th pin. Okay. In the loop function I have written my servo.write is equals to 0. So 0 is the angle, and .write is the function for the my servo. So I have written 0 degree angle to it. So let's see my tools. Okay, my board is connected. So I'll just upload my code. So my code is uploading. It's compiling now. So let's make connections. Yes, my code is uploaded here. So I have made all the connections and connected the signal pin of this servo to the 9th pin, and this servo is now at a 0-degree angle. So let's again input some another angle. So let's see what happens if I write a 90-degree angle. I'll upload it. It will go to the 90-degree position. So my servo is at a 90-degree position. It's not seems to be right. So my servo is at 90 degree. If I write 180 degrees to it, code is compiling. Okay, now it is at 180 degrees. If I write 0-degree now, we'll go to the 0-degree position. So now it is at 0-degree. If I write 45, let's see what happens. It will definitely go to the 45-degree. Okay, now the angle is 45 degrees. So you can have fun with this. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much for watching. You may subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. See you in the next video.